In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can increase roll speed and make faster rolls here in Slime RNG on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and navigate into the upgrade section and look specifically for the roll speed upgrade section right here. Now, there is a pretty, intense, I would say, upgrade path that you do have to follow in order to get your, roll speed even faster. You use rolls itself to upgrade it. Like, for example, you have to have like 5,000 rolls right here for this one to get bonus chains. But you can go through roll speed, faster rolls, rapid rolls, then you need quick rolls, and then of course it goes on and on from there. And it tells you right here how many rolls you actually have. So once I have, 1,500 rolls, I can go ahead and get more clovers, or I can continue saving up to get quicker rolls, which in turn would allow me to hit that faster. But that's the real process. You can also track how many rolls you have overall. I'll give us some good... No, I mean, that's a cool looking slime, but that is not what I wanted. That is the full process though. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.